since I'm not going to be doing too much cutting, I will show you guys the scoring process. That should work. So I cut maybe over 3/4. This side I probably went halfway. About 3/4. Yeah, you definitely want to give yourself some room to bend, because this metal is not easy to bend. Oh, what the hell? Which side? Okay, let me think about this. What the hell? Is that too short? That would suck. It's not terrible. Let me see which side we got. Pretty sure I just did this side. Which, that cut is pretty good. That line is good. Did I just mess up? Which is fine. It's not the end of the world if you mess up. Let's see here. Don't want to get a metal splinter. Those are not fun. Alright, let's see it again. Why is it... Okay, we're good. Cool. Yeah, we're fine. Oh, okay. Do it here. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so let's bend it to that. Let's see, I might be able to do it right here. No? Am I a super strong guy? If I clamp it... Alright, we'll have to do it. So you want that edge to pop. Let me see if I can step on it. There you go. Okay. I mean, I'm a strong guy, but that was pretty tough. Got the right angle for the dangle. We might... Yeah, it's a good cut. Okay. That might be good. Let's cut this now. Let's score it and then bend that piece. Let's see what happens. That'll be easy bend. Give myself some room there. Alright, see what happens here. There we go. Nice. Easy peasy. So now, ooh, let's see. I need to bend, push that up. Or bend it more. If I bent it more, this is where it kind of gets tricky. Let me see if I bend it more, if that help. Not really. I can do this though. Look at this. Watch this trick here. It's a little hot. Ugh. I'm gonna step on it. Kind of did something. Oh, did I? Yeah, I need to push this which I need to bend this more and then push it up, I think is what I want to do. It's a little scary, but it's okay. We can always weld it back. Ugh, no, that's not what we wanted to do. I probably should score it again, like right here, or on the back maybe, and push it up. Because I think I scored it a little too high. If I scored it here, push it up, because now it won't go in. Or let's try this, maybe this back piece we can try fixing. Yeah. So if I bend this more again, and if you bend metal too many times, it will break. So, gotta keep that in mind. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, God, it's so close. Having a lot of brain farts right now. It's been a while since I've done any backyard fabricating. Let's see. I think I'm gonna have to score it like right in here, so I can make it kind of. What am I trying to do here? If I score it here, then I can fold it that way. Let's try that. So I'm gonna score it like right in here, and we're gonna fold it, kind of reverse it. All right, let's try this. That's good. Alright, so the goal is we're trying to reverse what I just did. See if that works. That should do it. I hope my piece that I've been messing with doesn't break off. This would be a good point where a good time to weld this, but it means I gotta bust out the generator and do a lot more effort. I don't want to do that right now. Let's see how I could do this without messing up. I might have to cut it some more. Let's see here. CCC. Okay. So we're trying to push it back. Okay, that kind of did it. And then we can bend this one more, right? Is that going to be a thing? Let me see. Kind of struggling here today. That's better. Yeah, okay, that's better. Then this can go that way. I hope, right? It's hot. Oh no, it's hot. Oh, it's bending that now. Shit. That's no good. It's no good. Now it's bending it more. Shoot. What we could do is... Okay, this might work. I mean, it's pretty darn close. It's not close enough. I want it to be more. I might need to weld it. Damn, that sucks. Because we could weld... Like, I could weld that and then score it again from up top and then bend it. That might be the way to go. Alright, well, let me get the welder out and do that. Okay, let's get the welder out and do it. I don't know how this is going to work, I have the GoPro over my welding hood. So here we go. Let's see. Yeah, we're close. Alright, that was kind of risque, but I saved it. So here's that piece, right? That's a nice weld going on. That was my guts. And then when the camera was on, that's not too bad. But here is the piece, right? Let's take it over here. And we got a match. There we go, baby. Alright, so next up, I have to put those side ears on and do some holes, drill some holes for the bolts, and we can start mounting these up to the car again. Let's go. Progress, progress, progress. We got the, it's kind of hot still. I got the mount, whatever you want to call it, the channel. The channel is up on both of them. So now I have to drill out the hole for the bolt, which I think, I mean, what size bolt is that? I don't know what size that is, but I'm trying to think what size I should do. I gotta do some more thinking, but I just wanted to show you guys what has been done. And so yeah, it's looking pretty sweet. The shock is going to fit in here. I had a little mix up. I had to knock these over. I tack welded them on, and I noticed that I was still too tight on the inside, and this would not fit. So I spaced them out a little further and found the sweet spot. Is 1 3/4 of an inch, perfect on both of them. And like I said, now I got to figure out how big of a hole I want to drill. I also don't have all my drill bits, which is great. It's at work. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Until next time, I gotta figure out a plan.